Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry. It's been a hot minute since I have been uploading or writing on the blog. It has been crazy. Life happens. I hope you understand, and I'm so sorry for not giving you much notice in advance about being MIA or on a small hiatus. This past week we kind of did like a little mini vacation. I needed a mental recharge, and today I found out my start date of my new job, so all good things. I'm just like really excited. It's a great opportunity for me, my professional career, so I had to kind of, you know, take a step back from the blogging and the YouTubing, but right now I'm really hoping to be on a more consistent schedule. I'm thinking about switching my YouTube and my blog upload schedule, so YouTube would be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and the blog would be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm gonna try that out to see how it works out in March, and I'm hoping that I will be on a more consistent filming, writing, editing schedule just to make it easier on me, and hopefully that it caters to you guys as well. Let me know how it works out for you guys. Thank you very much for your continued love and support. It means a lot to me. I really enjoy reading messages or just interacting with you guys in person, asking when your next video or blog post is going live, because it really means a lot to me, and I'm really excited that you guys are enjoying the content. I have so many ideas. I'm way behind. Like I said, I'm really excited to try to get on a more consistent schedule. That's my goal for March. But finally, what I'm trying to get to is that today's video is going to be the February BOXYCHARM unboxing. Like I mentioned before, BOXYCHARM is $21 a month. You can also get a monthly program to save a little bit of coin. Each box has 4 to 5 full-size products, with each box retailing over $100. I will leave a link below in the description box to subscribe. But before we jump into the video, you know the drill. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel below and ring the notification bell to be notified for future content. I have no makeup on right now. My face looks like crap because I just got back from traveling. My face always breaks out no matter what. I can do my religious skincare routine, future video. Ignore the awful breakout skin, and let's jump into the video. It will be a demo. I'm switching it up, a BOXYCHARM demo. I will be applying the new products, and I'll kind of just do like the rest of my routine throughout the video as well. All right. So you get the Galaxy Glow is this month's theme. So the first product is the CoverFX Shimmer Veil. These multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish of a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. And it retails for $28. I am going to apply this all over my lid, and let's go on ahead and do a swatch. And this is what it looks like applied on my hand. And let's just go on ahead and place it all over the eyes. Okay, so from a first impression, I don't know how I feel about this at all. It still feels a little wet when I blink. I don't even know if it's fully on all the way. It kind of feels sticky when I blink. I don't know. It might work better as a highlighter, but I don't know. I'm not loving it right now for the eyes. I haven't used many CoverFX products before, so I'm not fully sure what to expect, but it's just, I don't know. For an eyeshadow, I'm not going to say, yeah. Oh yeah, it feels really weird on it. So I added a little bit more so it's not as patchy, but I'm still not in love with it. I don't think it's really agreeing well with my skin complexion, but it's just, I don't know. I don't know. Liquid eyeshadow, it's not my thing. But, you know, I think, you know, it would be cute as a highlighter. I will try that later. Just a little wary about it. So, yeah. So first product for me is a miss, but disclaimer, just because this product isn't really working out for me doesn't mean that you should stop using it, because it could be a great product, one of your holy grails. It's just not working out for me. The next product is the Vintage Cosmetics. I have not heard of this brand before. Smoky Eye Pencil, and it retails for $21. And I'm just gonna do a quick swatch. Okay, so it's not as dark as like my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, but it went on pretty smooth. I'm gonna just go apply it on my lid just to see how it performs. It'll be a good test because I got this cream eyeshadow on top, so... Okay, so this eyeliner, it's not too bad. I usually use a liquid eyeliner on my lid. Overall, as I'm looking at it, it didn't smudge, it didn't smear. I'm blinking, it's not creasing. It's not as pigmented as I want. I was kind of afraid to keep putting it on because I was afraid it was gonna break. But you know, for $21, it's about the same price as an Urban Decay eyeliner. I really liked it. Would I buy it on the reg? No. For 0.04 ounces, not that bad. It costs as much as this entire box, so you can look at everything else being for free, so not too bad. I guess I would have to try it on my lower lash line as well, just to see if it creases. A lot of eyeliners do that, especially dark ones, and you get like the raccoon eyes, but I am going to apply the rest of my eyeliner, mascara, do my brows, and then we'll jump into the rest of these products. Alright, we're back. So the next product are these crown brushes. The Crown Pro Trio brush set. Use this 3-piece Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. Since I already applied most of my face, I am not going to try these brushes out, but quickly go through them. Here's the eyeshadow brush. Here is the contouring brush, and here is the large powder brush. Overall, you know, I'm tugging on the bristles and they're not falling out, which is a really good sign. It's soft and it feels really dense. I have tried crown brushes before, and these feel a little bit more luxurious than the brushes I've tried before. They're also really cute with the pink and white. They look very similar to the Wet n Wild brushes. I usually use Morphe or Luxie brushes when I apply makeup, so I'm really excited to give crown brushes a try, just to see how I can maybe incorporate these into my routine. These crown brushes retail for $29.99. The fourth product, I'm really glad. So when sneak peek number 3 came out, I was kind of a little worried because I was like, I do not want the Ofra Z palette with the blush. That was like the only sneak peek I saw because I kept getting tagged. I kept seeing it everywhere because people were just outraged by it. And I remember a while back getting an Ofra Z palette in a previous box, so I was like, maybe I won't get it. So I didn't. I got the Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette. I'm really excited because I've tried Naked Cosmetics in previous Ipsy. I tried some other eyeshadows and I really like them. And this is what the inside looks like. Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. Holographic is like in. You always hear like the big influencers and gurus go, hello! And this retails for $39.99. I'm gonna do some swatches on my hand. I'm like, I ran out of fingers. Here are all the shades swatched on my wrist. I kind of got carried away. That's why it's not pretty straight. Overall, they're really pretty. I had issues with this peach and this pink color. I had to do over another swipe. One didn't turn out that pigmented. These are some interesting colors. They're not your average highlighter. I am going to take a Morphe brush and I'm just going to go in with one of these shades. Let's go, I think this purple shade will look nice. It's swatched really nice. I'm going to just play it on my cheekbones to see how it looks. It's a little chalky on the brush. Alright, so it's a little uneven because of my mirrors, but they're very pigmented on the skin, as you can tell. It's just like, bam, purple pastel on the face. It matches the eyeshadow really nice. Definitely will get you out of your comfort zone with regards to highlighter. I usually use a bunch of the silvers and the golds, so a purple, it's a little intense for me, but I'm rocking it with this eyeshadow look. I'm very impressed how the pigment paid off. It went on really nicely. I think I might have put a little too much, but it's okay. We're experimenting here. And then the last product is the Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. A blend of soft sugar crystals within a rich, nourishing salve base that gently exfoliates and buffs lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest scent. I'm really excited to try this because I have really chapped lips. They're dry, they're gross. The wind has been rough up here. The mountains was very dry, so I'm going to try this on and apply lipstick over it. Smells good. Smells like lemon. I mean, I would hope. So I hear it exfoliating my lip. Okay. It says I can use a wet tissue, which I'm going to use them. Alright, so right now my lips feel pretty hydrated. I mean, I did take a baby wipe, so I'm not sure if that's playing a factor into it, but I had some gunk on my lips. I could hear, you know, like the crystals exfoliating. I also saw like it bringing up the dead skin. I removed it. Feels pretty good. I'm gonna apply a Laura Mercier lipstick. Just a pretty like neutral, light magenta, mauve, will you say, shade, just to see how it goes. That's a pretty shade. So this lipstick went on really nice. My lips don't feel dry, they actually feel pretty moistured. I think the lip scrub really helped bring in some moisture to my lips before applying to a lipstick, so I might try that for future lip applications because I'm very pleased how my lips feel right now. Overall, I am pretty happy with the products I received in my BOXYCHARM this month. I just think the CoverFX glitter cream eyeshadow right now is just not my favorite product just because it doesn't work out for me. Definitely the highlighter palette, I have to make the right look because this purple is a little bam. The eyeliner is pretty nice. Like I said, I have to double check on my waterline just to see how it works. And I haven't tried out these brushes yet. And that lip stuff, I'm really liking the lip stuff. At first I was kind of like, but right now I'm living for it. That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this BOXYCHARM demo. Let me know what your favorite product was in the comments below. Let me know if you got a different variation of a box, like what products did you get, what products worked for you, what didn't work for you, any tips on some of these. Maybe I didn't apply them up to par. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next video. I promise if I go MIA again, I'll let you know. Alright.